Hey everybody, I am back again at Dairy Queen. I decided to top off my meal with a mini blizzard. I got the other flavor of the month for fall. This is going to be the silk pie. It's basically a chocolate pie flavored blizzard. Decided to let myself have a tiny dessert. Let's see. Service was good. It was $3.78. Of course, I'm only gonna get a mini because, hey, you know, that's all I need. Let's see. I like chocolate, so we'll see. Oh my goodness, the chocolate's good. And there's pieces in here, like the pie, the crust, little chocolate pieces. I'll be on the top of the pie flavor. I say this is 7.8 out of 10. I would get this again. It's pretty good.